Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Renegade Latitude, stock number E1227A. Only 24,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Renegade brand new, Colorado red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, cloth interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, backup camera, lots of cargo space in the rear, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, large, easy to read gauges, again only 24,000 miles, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, easy to operate touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. 6-speed manual transmission. Storage in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Renegade has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.